Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to point our domain to Cloudflare. So we are going to add our domain. So we are in Cloudflare, and then you see we are in domain overview. So click on domain. So we are in domain section. So now we are going to add or point our domain to Cloudflare. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see onboard domain, so click on it. Now you see enter an existing domain. So we have already domain, so we are going to add it. Now you see option import DNS record auto recommended manually upload a DNS zone file. So we select import recommended option. Now you see control how AI crawler access your site. Block on all pages. If you want, you can enable this option and then click on continue. So we are going to import DNS record. So click on continue. Now you see select a plan. So we select this plan. Now you see review your DNS record. Record we found 5A record, 3 CNAME, 1 MX, 3 TXT. Your traffic is almost ready to proxy. So this is all our record. Now you see A record and CNAME record. For these both record www and this A record, enable this option proxy. If you want, you can edit or delete record according to requirement and then click on continue to activation. Now you see waiting for your registrar to propagate your new name server. We are verifying that your domain is pointing to Cloudflare. Now you see overview domain, so click on it. Now you see edit, active. Now click on it, configure DNS. In content you see IP address. So you can add your hosting cPanel IP address here. So you can make sure your IP address is correct. After that, configuration done. Now you see all and then you see Cloudflare name server, type value NS. So we are going to add this value in our domain custom name server. So you can add it. Now go to domain. So we are in domain hosting. So this is our domain. Now you see DNS setting. So we already added. So you can open your domain DNS configuration and then select custom name server. And then you can add Cloudflare name server here. Now you see we added and then click on save name server. So after that your domain will point to Cloudflare. So we completed all steps. So you can wait for few minutes and after that you can check your website that your Cloudflare point done or not. So we are going to check it. So this is our domain. Now open it. Now you see our website is loading fine. It means our domain is point to Cloudflare correctly and we don't face any issue. So you can add your domain in Cloudflare and then add your name server of Cloudflare in domain setting DNS. After that your domain will point to Cloudflare. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.